Many people are scared because a big fire is happening in Los Angeles, California. The fire is spreading quickly, and many are worried about its impact. It is burning in the hills of Los Angeles, close to the city. While the exact cause of the fire is not clear, experts suggest that dry weather, strong winds, and high temperatures may be contributing factors. The fire started in the early morning, and the smoke is so thick that it can be seen from far away. Firefighters are working hard to control the fire, using water trucks, helicopters, and planes, but it is proving to be very difficult. Many homes in the area are in danger, including some that belong to celebrities and business leaders. These expensive and beautiful homes are being destroyed. The fire has also affected famous neighborhoods like Beverly Hills, where many well-known actors, musicians, and athletes live. People are being forced to leave their homes for safety. Some are staying with friends, while others are in hotels. The fire is not only destroying homes but also burning trees, plants, and wildlife, leaving many animals without shelter. Firefighters are doing their best to save both people and animals. Many roads are closed, and authorities are advising people to stay indoors because the air is full of smoke, making it hard to breathe. Those with respiratory issues are especially at risk, and people are being told to wear masks if they must go outside. The fire has been raging for days, and it is uncertain when it will end. Firefighters are working tirelessly day and night to control it. Some areas have been evacuated, and residents are waiting for news about when they can return home. The damage to the environment and the loss of property is massive. Experts warn that it could take weeks to fully extinguish the fire. Tourists in Los Angeles are also affected, with many being forced to leave their hotels. The city, usually popular with visitors, is now avoided due to the danger. Meanwhile, the local community and organizations are coming together to help. Many people are donating money and supplies to assist fire victims, and volunteers are helping firefighters by offering food and other resources. The fire has caused widespread power outages, leaving many homes and businesses without electricity. Communication has become difficult for some, and families are struggling to stay in touch. Rebuilding after this disaster will take time, and many people have lost their homes and belongings. Firefighters from other states have come to Los Angeles to assist in the efforts. It is a team effort, with people from across the country stepping in to help. This disaster serves as a reminder of the dangers of wildfires in California. Experts highlight that the dry conditions and hot weather make the region particularly prone to such fires. Many believe the government should take more action to prevent future fires, while others argue that people need to be more careful about how they live near forests and hills. Despite the challenges, the community spirit shines through. Volunteers are caring for animals, offering food, and helping those in need. In the coming weeks, the cleanup process will begin, and people will work to rebuild their homes and lives. Recovering from this natural disaster will require nationwide support. While nature can be powerful and destructive, it has also brought out the best in people, uniting them in a time of crisis.